How to get electronic parts in one's human. To find electronic parts in one's human, there are different ways to find effective farming strategies you can check out. In today's video, I'll share you with three important electronic parts that I have found. Electronic parts are easy to come by as you progress in one's human because they are primarily be found in level 30 areas. Head to the Mirage monolith at 6473-2773. The area is home of several items that you can pick up and disassemble later to collect electronic parts from. Best way to farm the area for these parts is to collect absolutely everything you can as often as you can. Personally, I try not to disassemble anything at the disassembly station at my base until I have collected well over 70 pieces of junk items. The more of these items you collect, the bigger the haul will be once you break it all down. Another way to farm electronic parts is to consistently run the Shadows Hound boss until you have the amount you want. What can these electronic parts do in the game? Some positives are vortex generator, projector generator, improved Calimore mine. Another efficient way is to spot the silo fee, where players report collecting about 50 electronic parts per run in under 10 minutes. The location is particularly advantageous due to the speed of farming compared to the other areas. And also, the other third part is Blackfell. Players have also confirmed that the farming in Blackfell can yield approximately 100 electronic parts per run, making it a viable option as well. That's it for the video. Thank you so much.